In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Garmin G1000. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to make it very clear that operating an aircraft, especially one equipped with a complex system like the G1000, requires extensive training and certification. Even though I'm gonna go over some of the key components that you have to be aware of in the Garmin G1000, you should still do your own research and learn at your own pace and time. Always read the manual and be aware of how all of this works. So there are two key components of the G1000. First is the primary flight display. This displays critical flight information like airspeed, altitude, and heading. You will be able to get alerts and warnings to the pilot and offer a synthetic vision technology for enhanced situational awareness. It also has a multifunction display, customizable display for various information, including maps, charts, weather, and system status. It is used for navigation, communication, and system monitoring. So for the actual basic operations of the G1000, while the specific operations can vary depending on the aircraft model and G1000 configuration, the fundamental steps are first powering it on, so you turn on the master avionics switch, wait for the system to initiate, and then do the pre-flight checks, so verify system initialization and configuration. Check for any system faults or warnings and review the PFD and MFD displays for accuracy. Use the MFD to input waypoints and create flight plans, monitor the PFD for course deviations and traffic alerts, and utilize the autopilot to maintain course and altitude. Use the integrated communication radio to contact air traffic control and other pilots and access weather information and flight advisories. For system monitoring, keep an eye on engine instruments, fuel levels, and other critical systems, and use the MFD to monitor system statuses and troubleshoot any issues that you might have. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Garmin G1000. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for very easy tips. Thank you for watching.